Lucid lovers, me and you, a deal of matchless value. I was always quick to admit defeat, empty statements of bones and meat, and my heart it shook with fear. I'm a coward behind a shield and spear. Take this sword and throw it far. Let it shine under the morning star. Who are you? I am the Antichrist. One for my heart, two for sure. 3 tears for all the souls below. One day we made them into figures, burned them all with all my faith things. Who are you? Who am I to you? I am the Antichrist, falling from the sky into your arms. Who are you? Who am I to you? I am the Antichrist, falling from the sky into